students, today we are going to study the second chapter of moral science. It is duties to our motherland. Here in this chapter, first you have to read the whole chapter. We have completed this chapter already, but we are going to revise it today. So here in this chapter, we all know that we all are brothers and sisters because of we are the we are the children of Bharat Mata. See, here it is written, all Indians are children of Bharat Mata. Okay, and we all do we all do adjustment to make our life worth living it. And some people have to fight for their genuine rights, means for their rights they have to fight. Like some people do rallies, protests, etc. to express the urgency of their demands. And then see, some social workers do some program, awareness program, and make poor and illiterate people for their rights and duties. It means जो गरीब लोग हैं उनके लिए लोग लड़ते हैं ताकि उनको उनकी राइट्स और उनके हक मिल सके, है ना. देन in the next paragraph you can see there is a bulldozer. It's making the road roller. It is here they are making the road. So it is the work of the government to do this work. Like some important work is that government does is supply of electricity, supply of water, food, shelter, and these all things, making of roads and all these things. So this has to be done by the government. Okay, so here in this page you can see that the rights and the duties go hand in hand. It means with the by joining the hands with each other, rights and duties move, you know. Then thus as a good citizen it becomes my duty. My duty means it becomes our duty who is a citizen of India to respect and honor the national symbol, to work for the unity and prosperity of our country, to defend the honor of the nation at all cost, to love all men as brothers and sisters. Okay, so here is the President of United States of America. He says that ask not what the country can do for you, but ask what you can do for the country. It means ये मत पूछो कि देश ने हमारे लिए क्या किया, ये पूछो कि हमने देश के लिए क्या किया है, अपने देश के लिए. Okay, so these words are, this is the first speech of the President of America. Okay, and then the great men and women who are, you all know that who are the great men who fought for the freedom of the country, and they all are what? They all are very did the work. They served the nation selflessly, यानी बिना किसी स्वार्थ के उन्होंने अपने देश के लिए काम किया है और हमें आज़ादी दिलाई है. ओके, देन we all know that there are we all are born in a country of Vedas. So Vedas are the ancient scripts of India. See, this is very important paragraph. Vedas are the ancient scriptures of India. Many saints, many writers, saint poets are born in our country who are very knowledgeable people. Spiritual knowledge they have. Okay, and in India is a gift to us from our forefathers. It means ये हमारा देश है, ये हमें किसने दिलाया है? हमारे forefathers ने. That means fathers they have. Why? Because they have fought for the country. We don't know, but they have fought for the country. Okay, then here you can see the pick the correct answers also. You have to learn all the questions and pick the correct answer. You may not be knowing from where the question may be there in your test. So you have to learn this chapter and read the chapter properly. Okay, thank you.